This is part 2. This talks specifically to your yearbook ad, whereas we've gone through the entire other tutorial that showed you how to make this poster. So you're all set here. You've got that done. Now you're going to customize the text here. So you're just going to write in what you want to say here, and you can adjust the size of your font up here. You can change the color of it if you wish, right up there. And you can change the font if you wish. In fact, when you get this, that font is not even the font that's in the listing because that is a paid font. So you avoid the fonts that have the crowns. You can find anything that you want to put there. And I'm going to also give you a little hint here. I know I spent a lot of time in the last video going over how to stretch your text. If you've gotten to this point, you have no way to stretch your text. One little trick that is not really a trick at all, as much as it is sometimes you just got to throw money at the situation. There is a person on Etsy that sells the Eras font, okay? And it is only $1 or something. I mean, it is so inexpensive. You can upload it into Canva by uploading it. And I'm going to pull this up here so you can see. Sometimes I get my screen too low. Right there. Very bottom of fonts, upload the font. And you'll find it after you download it, after you buy it off Etsy, and you can upload it in here. And you, as obviously you can see, there are several fonts that you can purchase online. I'm a little obsessed, and I'll show you what it looks like. I actually did stretch the text for this simply because that is what I'm showing people. I do not want to give you something that you have to spend money on. So this is just an option. Personally, I like the stretched font a little bit better here in Canva, the Abril fat face stretched out. That's just me. You could do something totally different. Okay. The other thing I want to show you really quickly is you can resize this to any size you need. Okay. So your books are crazy, right? I mean, you guys know what I mean. Like 1 year it's like 8.5 by 11. You're like, cool, I can do that. And then the next year it's like 8.27 by 9.1. And you know, if you're wrong, your kid's head gets cut off, you know? This is what you do. You're going to create a new design and you're going to do a custom size and you're going to change it probably to inches, maybe centimeters, depending on just how petty your school is, because I mean, maybe they do millimeters. I don't know. Let's just do inches. And let's say 7 by 9.3. I don't know. And you're going to create a new design. And then you're going to go back and you're going to select everything you have. Okay, you're going to run your mouse over all of it. You can even be extra cautious and go into layers up here. I just went to position and then layers, and make sure you select everything. Okay, you're not going to be able to select your background, so you're going to have to change your background color, but you're going to Command C, or you're going to left click, copy, and then you're going to go back to that design that you just made and Command V. Well, you just size it to fit it. Okay, and we wanted a black background for this one, so we're going to go in up there. Sometimes I move a little too fast. So we got, this is our background. Let's get rid of that. Up here is the background color, and you change it to black, and you're done. And now you've got it sized. You may have to do some minor adjustments. Here's one other little exciting thing. Create a new design, custom design, inches, 24 by 36. Okay, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to paste it. I already have it in my clipboard. We do this, right? Okay, this is a poster. You can make a poster. You can just resize it, super easy. You spent all that time in that poster tutorial probably thinking, man, I wish I would have done it with the poster. You can. Keep turning our background black so that it matches. We're going to bring this down. Actually, we're going to take this off, right? Obviously, this is a poster, something different. We don't need your words of encouragement there. You select it all with your mouse, grab this box here, and you just pull down. Now you can have a poster, and you can turn it white. You can have the white background if you want. That's all. That's everything. So that's awesome. If you have any questions, please reach out. I really want to help if you need help. I have been there before. I know what it's like to remember the night before that you have to get this yearbook ad in, and your whole like existence in your children's eyes depends on how cool this is, you know? So just send me a message on Etsy and I will help you out. All right. Thank you so much. And until next time.